Craven Local Food Market specializes in farm-grown meal plans, and there's two reasons for that. On the business side, uh, I always said I'd like to own as much as the supply chain as possible. That's my very capitalistic approach, but at the same time, it's also good for the environment and it's good for our food security if we do it that way. So if I can grow it, harvest it, and cook it, even if I don't do that myself, if I hire someone out that handles that, everything's under our control. And so even if we consider food safety and food security, having things trucked around less and less hands makes it better for everybody involved, but it also makes it more profitable for me. So, and then on the consumer side, there's the convenience factor. I think one thing that we've been lacking as small farmers is the need to meet people conveniently. I always say we need to meet them where they want to be met, and I'm not sure that we've been doing that when it comes to the mass market. So we look at these home delivery meal plans like Blue Apron and all these that, they're putting everything in plastic bags and they're shipping it through the mail. Yes, it's more convenient and it's healthier food and there's less food waste, but there's a whole lot more plastic waste. So, if we can do these same services locally, then we can even prepare it because it doesn't have to be shipped through the mail. And I just think that's a huge opportunity. And that's what we specialize in. We do different food, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It keeps it interesting for us, allows us to show our creativity, which really makes this a lot of fun. Just doesn't feel like a job hardly ever. So we specialize in making something unique out of what's coming on the ground, in our area first. Like that's a fun game to play.